Welcome everyone. I'm going to explain you how you can use Mystery Contact Finder tool, your very own contact finder tool, not only on LinkedIn, but you can use it now on Zobacorp, Insta Financial, Toffler, and even on Crunchbase to find the directors data available on these websites, which is very hard to find. And this tool makes it super, I would say amazing to find it with instantly one click. Your very own tool will now work on these websites. And it's simple, it's just one click. All you need to do is just go to your extension and then let the extension activate by visiting any profile. Once the tool activates, you click on My Dashboard or on Upgrade, any of it to go to your dashboard. Now you will see this option that says Global Extension. Now in order for your tool to work on the websites, you have to basically connect your email ID with your mystery tool. So click on this email and you can use any of the Gmail ID to connect it. Simply use one email, that's it. Your email ID is now connected. You will see an option that says your email is connected. Now the access to these websites is not available instantly. You basically have to email us to support@easyleads.com once to get your free trial activated. After that, once your trial is over, and if you want to use it continuously on all these websites, you have to purchase annual growth plan and higher plans to use these websites and get the contact of directors or even on Crunchbase by using the mystery tool. Once you have used it, you basically now have to go on these websites to check how it works. Now that you have installed and activated your global extension on mystery tool, I can show you how this works on Toffler. So you go to Toffler, search for any company. Let's say you search for Mintra. I'll just search MYN Travels and the tool will appear on the right side. Extension will appear on the right side. If you see a login button instead of auto activated name and everything, you can simply log in using the same email ID that you have used in the Global Connect. Now if you want the contact data of this person, just go there and click to get contact. If the number is available, the tool will return you the number real time instantly and your credit will be deducted like this. The same data will be added into your dashboard under your My List section. This is how the number will be available in your My List section. You can use the tool either on the company pages or on the director pages as well directly. Hope this is helpful.